Hey, how you doing?
Good, good,
My
good.
name is Mike.
Okay, Mike. So why did you become a truck driver?
I became a truck driver because I wanted to be an owner operator. I
Hmm.
didn't want no boss. I didn't want nobody yapping in my ears.
Hmm.
I like the freedom,
Hmm.
you know, and most of all, well, these days we like the money.
Okay, okay, okay. Good, good, good. So you mentioned owner operator. So how long did you drive for a company before you became an owner operator?
Oh, I never drove for a company. I've been an owner
Really?
operator for
Wow.
25 years.
Wow.
Mhm.
You are the man.
I had a cargo van, then
Okay.
I had a 14-foot box truck,
Okay.
then I had a 26-foot straight truck, and
Hmm.
then I traded that in, and
You got
boom.
a semi truck. So meaning you started from being a box truck driver,
No, I started from being a cargo van driver.
a cargo van
Hmm.
driver, and you migrated to be a box truck driver, and you migrated to be a semi truck driver.
Yes.
Congratulations to you,
Yes.
sir.
Thank you. Thank
Good,
you.
good, good. And how far is being an owner operator? How much are you able to make per week?
Per week?
Yep.
Well, we'll keep that off the record, but
Mm.
for the last 3 years, it's been very bad, I
Okay.
would say.
Okay.
But this year, things are looking up. You know,
Mm.
our president's doing what he's supposed to be doing. So our
Okay.
economy's coming back up slowly but surely.
Okay, okay. So, what do you wish to be changed in the trucking industry? What are your wishes that you want some reforms or something that you want to
In the
change?
trucking industry, we need to do away with the brokers.
Okay,
Finish
okay,
the brokers. We do all the work.
okay. And they
We
take the money.
drive. We don't sleep. We're away from our families. We're spending thousands of dollars a month. And all these brokers do is push a button and take our money.
Good.
We need to get that money. We need to keep that money in house.
Okay. So, do you book your load yourself, or you lease your truck to a company, or you get it from the load board?
No, I book on the load board for myself. Sometimes, very rarely, I use a broker because I
Oh,
don't like them.
okay. So meaning, okay. So meaning you have your own MC and you get your load from the load board
Yes.
by
Yes.
yourself.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
And what do you wish to tell the new truck drivers? Like, what are your advice for newcomers?
For the new guys, I
Yep.
would I would say save your money.
Okay.
Don't think that first trek looks so big and so good and you're just gonna save it.
Okay.
Save your money.
Okay.
Because when that truck break, it's not $500, it's $5,000.